Listen, you ain't gonna be out in these streets saying I don't give you the tea. Okay, you ain't gonna be out in these streets saying I don't put you on like the break of dawn. Okay, now you may want to look at these nail wraps that Dollar Tree has. Now I'm gonna show you them because they so fancy, pantsy, mancy. Check them out. Child, when I tell you Dollar Tree is definitely in these streets moving their feet to the beat, I don't know who's on the marketing team. I don't know who done took over, okay? Because you know what? It's different from when I first started doing these videos. Let me tell you something. And I love it. I love the newness, the improvements, absolutely. The price going up, absolutely love it. All right? Now, nail wraps, 12 pieces, $1.25. Honey, look at this. With the strawberries, the oranges, the lime. Child, you better name it and claim it. Look at this. This is so cool. Honey, feel like I need... I'm just gonna show you them. I'm just gonna show you them, okay? Cause my nails is looking like I need some of these. Okay, really, really nice. And I never did nail wrap, so I don't even know how you do them. I think you just put them on your nails and pretty much cut wherever it is that you don't want. Honey, these are really, really cute. Nice. Look at these, the nail decals. Child, you gonna be fancy this summer. They ain't gonna know what hit them. They also have the pastel pearl 12 petite nails for $1.25 from LA Colors. Look at the colors. Look at the colors. And then they have the Jude collection press-on nails. Look at that. Honey, they done brought these up. 12 pieces for $1.25. It's just the newness for me. I know you like, Dina, you know, come on now. I have to pause because it's the newness for me. It really is. Linda, I don't know what else to say. It's really the newness, you know? Really sometimes it makes me want to cry. The newness. I'm in Dollar Tree and I see some new items that's right for you and me, and I just gotta say, what's this? Chill. You want to stick around for this one. You gonna like this one, Linda. You gonna like this. Peace. Okay, so today we are on our way inside of the Dollar Tree on 49th Street. Okay, listen, I just have a feeling that they have some good stuff in there for you and me. Okay, I just got a feeling, you know, a little birdie, you know, whispered in my ear. My intuition, it would be whispered in my ear and said, Dina, you gotta get to 49th Street Dollar Tree, you know, do it like 12 after 12. Okay, and I'm on my way inside there. Okay, now let's see what they have. Looking, yeah, you good looking. Child. You know, when I do this, that means that Dollar Tree got some fancy, mancy items. Okay? And we're going to get into it and do it the way we like to. Okay? All right, I ain't trying to come up with the rhymes in time. Okay? Listen, Dollar Tree said, no way, Linda. We got what you need. Listen, you see these? The Easter dome cups. Now, I know a few of you guys may have seen these. They have purple. Let me just turn the camera around so you can get into it and do it the way you like to do it. Check them out. So Dollar Tree said, no. Not only do we have one color, which would be this green. Now, you guys know when it comes to the green, I am a greens gold girl. Say it with me. Green goals girl. I know these people sometimes. Green goals girl. All right. Now, do not eat the decoration. Honey, who been out here eating the decorations inside the lid? Where's the Dollar Tree got to let you guys know. You can't eat these. You can't eat this. Okay, Linda? Now, green, purple, I think that's the only colors they have, green and purple. All right, but that'll do. These are really, really cute. And honey, let me take the thing down so you can really get a good look. Look at the bunny inside. And Tom, honey, the bunny is vibing. Okay, you can't tell that bunny nothing. And then they also have the chickadee chick chick. Get into the chickadee. Oh, my book, Master Your Time, Master Your Life. All right, some of you guys are spending time on things that don't matter. Okay, just FYI message. Now, chickadee chick chick, $1.25. Absolutely love it. Do you see this? The floral leaves banner. I was like, what is this? Now, let me tell you something. I just came up with such an amazing idea. Okay. If you was to take these and put them on your wall, right? If you renting, put them on your wall. You could get some of those command strips so it won't damage the wall. Never say I ain't put you on nothing. This is the spring fling. And you're going to be blinged out. Okay? $1.25. Love this. Now, do I really ever come and show you guys like the pencils and the pens and stuff like this? But this definitely stood out to me. These highlighters, you get 4 for $1.25. I think these are fancy pantsy mancy. Must be new, or maybe it's the packaging for me. Okay? Jot highlighters, really, really good. Also, clip clicks. So if you're a person that reads a lot, okay, one of the things that I absolutely love is highlighting, marking my book up, even writing in the book. Okay, absolutely love it. Because when you go back over the book, you know exactly like, oh, you can record that. I remember I was here and now I'm here. Ooh, child, growth to the fullest. Now, Dollar Tree, come on, child. Dollar Tree, come on now. Christmas sweater, Dollar Tree. We are in. Now, I know you guys bring this stuff out really, really quick, and there's nothing wrong with that. But, honey, we are, you might as well say March. And you guys got Christmas sweater out already. Honey, let us get through summer, okay? Come on now, $1.25. Honey, I can't make this up. Now, to the ones that have little ones, okay, like my kiddos, Dollar Tree has these stickers. Okay, these are temporary tattoos. You get 35. They have the Trolls. They have Jurassic Park. They have, what is this? Honey, I have no clue. I have no clue what that is. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Okay, I have no clue. Temporary tattoos. You know, it don't really have nothing. Just awesome. Hollow. I like that. I like awesome. Okay, I'm feeling it. I'ma remind you guys again. The Bermuda Blue Citrus and Wash Fragrance Booster Long Lasting. The top of the top smells so good. If you go inside a Dollar Tree and they happen to have these, smell them. And let me know in the comment section how these smell. Because when I tell you they smell delightful, they smell amazing. Okay, another item that's really, really good. I told you guys the multi-purpose cleaning paste. This is really, really good. $1.25. Absolutely, hands down, love this. Dollar Tree said, we're not going to give you one wave cap. No. You know what? We're not like the basics, okay? We're extraordinary, okay? We're going to give you 2. I keep it smooth. Ooh, all right? Now, this is the 2-pack wave cap. 2 for $1.25. You know how they do. They also have the Brazilian mango, okay, daily moisture, hair, body, and scalp oil, black castor oil. Now, black castor oil is phenomenal. Really, really good for hair growth, okay? They also have the tea tree oil, $1.25. But, child, when I tell you the way we do, this stuff right here, ooh, child. Now, let me tell you, I had purchased all of them because the shampoo and the conditioner, Oh, child, it was so good. It was just so, so good. Now, Dollar Tree has the leave-in curl moisture. I had purchased this. I also had the smoothie. I didn't try the smoothie yet, but and I didn't try the leave-in. But I did do the curl hydrate and conditioner. I also purchased the heat protection, and also the curl hydrate and shampoo. These are $1.25. The good thing about this, plant protein and biotin B complex infused with coconut and rosemary. No sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, moisturizing and defining curls. $1.25. Now, when I tell you this stuff is chef kiss, it's chef kiss for my hair. Really good. Now, Dollar Tree also have the instant root touch-up. They come in black, brown, and also blonde. $1.25. When I had seen these, I said, I know they ain't selling Shea Moisture. I said, I know they not. Now, this is the Shea Solutions Deep Conditioner and Co-Wash made with organic shea butter. Leaves hair clean and moisturized. Never tried this. I don't know this from a milk carton. So if you guys have tried this, this looks like a new product. I want to say this is something new. I've never seen this before. Let's see if it's open so we could give it a smell, shall we? All right, so it is open. You can smell a coconut, but one of the things with me, like, when it comes to like a lot of like a strong scent, like from hair products, it makes me want to throw up. Okay, it don't sit well with me. All right. You can smell it, but it also smells like, like it has some perfume and stuff in there. So for me, this is a no-go. Maybe you may like this, okay? The Deep Conditioner Co-Wash, $1.25. So this is a new item at Dollar Tree, the Power Collection Multi-Benefit Skincare. Now, they have the 3 benefits in one. The Power Face Wash with caffeine and microfine pumice, okay, $1.25. And it's always the packaging for me. The toner, they also have the Power Toner, 3 benefits in one, energize, balance, and resurface. They also have the Power Moisturizer with retinol, antioxidants, and glycerin, $1.25. And I'm missing one. Oh, this one. Power Bubbling Clay Mask. Okay, that K word, honey. If you know it, you say it. Okay. Bentonite clay and charcoal. 4 benefits in one. Purify, control oil, smooth and clean pores. When I tell you, and this must be been moving, okay, because I'm just now seeing this. Now, all the Dollar Trees that I normally go to in like around my area, Union City, West New York, Bayonne, they all have this, okay? And remember, if you go to a Dollar Tree and they don't currently have these items, honey, it's time for you to start going to different Dollar Trees, okay? So you can see, because you go to another Dollar Tree, they may have way more stuff. They may have way more stuff for you and me. You get what I'm saying, child? $1.25. Another item that's really good is the Repair Smoothing Foot Cream with vitamin C and shea butter. Really good. One of the things with me, like when it comes to any products, is like the consistency, like staying consistent with it. But when I did use this, it was really, really good. Then an exfoliating foot scrub. When I tell you these items smell so good, especially this one, the almond and brown sugar, delightful. They also have the hand sanitizers. We had seen these before, $1.25, Crayola. They also have the spray over here, the apple, and then also the lemon. It don't look like they have any more watermelon. $1.25. Another item I absolutely love is the Body Rays, okay? The raspberry scented lip gloss. It's always the packaging, okay? They have it like in this little soda bottle. Really, really, this is, honey, creativity to a trillion. They also have the bronzer drops, $1.25 with cocoa extract, shea butter, and vitamin E. Now, let me tell you something. This is the I'm so excited. I'm saying, Zach, the snack zone, okay, then mints, Dollar Tree has something. Dollar Tree also have the 4-pack ice molds. Listen, if you don't have that TikTok ice maker, the most you'll spend probably like $3 and some change, but fancy. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Mickey Mouse whisk that comes in black and also in red. Honey, they also have the spatula. Dollar Tree said, listen, don't you just cook. Bring the kids to cook with you. All right? That's what Dollar Tree said. Fancy. Absolutely love this. Make sure you guys rocking out, believing in yourselves. Keep going, keep growing. Until next time. Peace.